Hi everyone, welcome to Adharshala Coding Classes. Today we will see how to create code for Rolling Dice project with Python. Let's start. Python's random module helps us generate random numbers, which is essential for simulating dice rolls. We'll create a function called roll_dice that generates a random number between 1 and 6, mimicking a six-sided dice. We'll set up a loop that keeps the program running, asking the user if they want to roll the dice again. Ensure that the user provides valid input, either yes or no. This makes the program more robust. The roll_dice function already returns a random number, and we're displaying it in the main loop. Let's enhance the output with some additional formatting. We've already handled the exit condition by breaking out of the loop when the user inputs no. This cleanly ends the program. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe to Adharshala Coding Classes.